Hello. Welcome once more to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. Today, I'll bring to you a platform where you can buy cryptocurrencies using your Nigerian bank cards. You can buy cryptocurrencies using your Nigerian bank cards. It's a common website or a common platform which some persons know about, but I believe most persons don't know that you can easily buy cryptocurrencies through this platform using your Nigerian bank cards. And also at the end of this video, I will show you where you have a limitless bank cards because our Nigerian bank cards actually have limits. Most have $100, $200, and all that. But I'll show you a platform where you can fetch a limitless bank cards and also a platform where you can earn $500 to transfer to this platform I'm talking about today. Then you withdraw to your Nigerian bank card. So don't touch that dial. Remain glued to this video. I'll show you all this. I'll show you all this on this video. Now, if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and as well turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever we upload videos like this to help you make money on the internet. Remember, we are only dedicated to giving insights on how to make money on the crypto space and as well the internet generally. So keep bringing updates like this to you, make research and bring updates to you so you learn and as well teach others. See, the most important thing is actually implementing any of these stuff we teach you on this platform. You mustn't actually go into all. They are just sources of passive income. You don't have to get engaged in all of them, but pass or kind of get one particular one you'll be very good in, implement on that, and make your passive income on daily. So, like I said initially, I will show you a platform where you can buy cryptocurrencies with your Nigerian banker. So stay glued and I'll be right back. Yeah, welcome back. I'll be going straight up to the video now. Now, the platform we are actually talking about now is called Skrill. You go to your Google Chrome, just type www.skrill.com. Skrill.com. Okay, this is it. All right. Okay, this is the platform. As you can see, they say make your money move, pay online, send money, buy crypto with a digital wallet used by millions. So Skrill is actually a platform known by so many persons and used by over a million persons who are interested in making online transactions, buying and selling of goods and services. So as you can see here, they say you pay online, you send money to your family and friends, then you can buy crypto using this digital wallet. So all you need to do on this platform is just to sign up. It doesn't really need much. It doesn't involve a rigorous process like other platforms do, where you have to do KYC verification and all that. But before that, you see what they say here. You pay online, you make payments without sharing your banking details. That means you're anonymous on the platform. All you need to, you really need to make payments is your email here on this platform. Then you send money, you send to a bank account abroad with zero transfer fee. That is interesting. So there's no fee attached to you sending money to a platform or to someone you know abroad. We offer over 40 different cryptocurrencies. That is wonderful as well. And there are also loyalty rewards attached to this platform. You use your Skrill wallet to unlock VIP benefits and earn net points on every transaction. So on every transaction you carry out on the platform, you stand a chance to win some points which can be converted to money. That is interesting as well. They are the online wallet for money movers and makers. Skrill has been helping to make it, send it, and spend it for millions of customers since 2001. So wherever you are and whatever you want to do with money, just Skrill it. Man, I love that line. So I believe you too, you like the line as well. So all these are just their stories. You can just go to Play Store and download their app, or Apple Store, you download their app if you really want to have easy access to the platform so you can navigate easily. And also on this, this is their loyalty program. Next loyalty program, you can join on that as well if you wish to. But what actually brought us to this platform is to show you how you can actually create your accounts and as well fund it and buy cryptocurrencies. Use your Nigerian bank cards or the cards I'll be showing you at the end of this video. So let's go straight up to signing up to see what it actually looks like. Now you go to this sign up button here where they say register, click on register. As we are in, this is the registration page. Your cash made digital pay, send and receive. So you join millions who already use the Skrill for safety pay online and send money anywhere in the world. So you see, it's a very big platform. I personally have been using this for a while now and it's trusted. So I recommend this to you and your friends and family. You can use this for your online transactions, pay for goods and services. So here you key in your name. I already have an account with them. So there won't be any need for me to register again. You put key in your name, your last name, Nigeria, your country, currency you're using, which is Naira, your email, your password. You click on these terms and conditions and all that. Then you sign up to take you to your login page where you have to verify your email and all that. Then give you a pop-up where you have to log in. After that, you have your dashboard. So I already have an account. All I need to do here is to log in straight up. So I'll be logging in to my account. All right, let me log into my account. So I'll be covering this for security purposes. They are sensitive information, so I wouldn't like to open it up so people to have access to. So I'll be covering this up for my own view. Okay, guys, I'm in. This is the dashboard. As you can see here, dashboard, deposits, withdrawal, transfer, exchange, crypto, transactions, settings, contact us, frequently asked questions, and all the rest of it. So this is how the dashboard actually looks like. As you can see here, they say credits, or you can deposit using a credit or debit card. Then it will cost you 2.5% fee. So you can actually use your bank cards to deposit. Key in your details here. So if you have Visa, MasterCard, and the rest of it, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, at the end of the video, I will show you where you can actually get a Visa card that has a limit of up to $500, $1,000 to fund your Skrill and withdraw at a very low rate. Sorry, you buy dollars at a low rate and withdraw at the Nigerian black market rate. So you keep watching. I will show you at the end of this video. Now on this exchange aspect, after you must have deposited, you have to where you want to exchange to whatever currency you want to exchange to. Then on crypto, if you have deposited on this interface, you can exchange to Bitcoin, Ethereum, any crypto that is listed here, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and the rest of it. So on this aspect, you can do that. It also has market data here, where you can see what the general market looks like. If you're new to crypto, Bitcoin here actually is selling at 21,926 US dollars with 3.24% increase in the last 24 hours from this very minute. Ethereum showing its own data and all that, down to the last one here, which is dots, polka dots here. All right, then if you go to trade section, let's see what is there. Here you have a trading platform, just where you have to buy and sell. Let's assume you already have your account funded.
you want to buy Bitcoin, you can key in the amount of USD you want here to receive Bitcoin. Then the fee, let's assume I have let's say 5,000 US dollars here. Then I'll be spending $95 to buy. It's quite on the high side, so maybe you have to reduce that amount and buy a lower amount. Then here it try to explain Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is. Then you look at this white paper and official websites from this segment. So that is it, guys. It's a very wonderful platform. If you deposit with your Nigerian bank cards, you can withdraw using Bitcoin, even though their exchange rate is quite on the high side. You can look for any of these coins here that has a lower exchange fee. Then you can exchange on that and send to your Binance or any of the custodial wallets you sell off through any of the P2P platforms. So that is actually how it works. Now, concerning the platform I made mention at the beginning of this video, I said I'll be showing you a platform where you can actually earn on a monthly basis up to $500. It's right on your screen. You can see it. I made a video on that, so you have to go back and watch that video so you get the detailed info on how you can actually sell your documents, PDFs, study notes, notebooks, handouts that you no longer need, or the ones you have from anywhere. You sell them so far they are yours, or even written notes. People are willing to pay it. So if you watch this video, you will get to understand how to go about that. And also, I made a video on how to get Limitless bank cards. It's on this channel, as you can see on your screen as well. So you can have access to that video. You watch and understand how that really works. Remember, this is CryptoZilla. All we do is we keep bringing to you updates on how to make money online and the crypto space generally. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and as well turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever we make updates like this to help you make money. Remember, every information we share on this platform is for educational purposes. We are not your financial advisors, so you do well to make your own research before you get yourself involved in any of these processes. So we don't have to bear blames for any of your losses. You have to take responsibility for your wins and as well your losses. So do well to make your research before you get engaged in any of them. On my next video, I'll be talking about a platform where you can actually watch adverts, any of the adverts like video adverts, display adverts, or search adverts, which I will still talk about on that video, what they mean, and as well how you can make money watching this, because big companies are actually looking out for people to send traffic to any of these adverts, and as well, or maybe generate impressions on them. Then they pay you for doing that. You can be earning up to $1 to $4 for doing this in any of the adverts you have access to. So subscribe to this channel so you see them once we update them on this channel. Thank you for watching.